Reddit, where the mods think they are gods, where censorship has spread like wildfire over the years and APIs are locked behind paywalls. Too many subreddits are policed by biased mods and admins enforcing their political or corporate agendas. Day after day, Redditors complain about censorship on Reddit, but you don't own your own posts or your subreddit. You don't control the conversation. You're just a user until the ban hammer comes crashing down on you. With as much transparency and recourse as a disappearing journalist in a surveillance state. But what if there was a way out? Not a platform, but an open source, free-to-use protocol with no servers, no traditional DNS, and no centralized authority, where you are free to shitpost on your own terms by owning the keys to your own subplebbit, which no one else can control. This is what Plebbit offers. So how does Plebbit work? Everything from running subs, posting content, moderation, naming, virality, and anti-spam protection is actually peer-to-peer and scalable in Plebbit, unlike federated or blockchain-based social medias with their often centralized, censorious, or unscalable DNS, SSL, hubs, instances, and RPCs. Plebbit runs on IPFS, IPNS, ENS, and libp2p, meaning no backend servers, no centralized DNS, and no SSL certs. That makes Plebbit communities and posts difficult to seize or censor. Simply put, there are no global admins. If you do face censorship on Plebbit, you can simply create your own subplebbit alternative and control the destiny of your own subplebbit. Just like you self-custody your BTC with a private key, you cryptographically own your public community, your subplebbit, or your plebchan board. It's true digital sovereignty, ensuring freedom and free speech for everyone.